By the end of this video, you will know all you need to learn to become fully trained software engineer. This video is in two parts. The first part is essential things to learn, and the second part is all things you need to learn. Like core modules you need to learn. So be sure to stay till the end so not to miss on any of the important part of this video. Before we get started, I'll advise you to take a pen and notebook, put them closer to you. I'll tell you when to use them. So with that being said, let's get started. To become software engineer, you will need to learn combination of technical skills, programming languages, tools, and best practices. Here are some of the essential things to learn. First, we have programming languages. You should start by learning at least one programming language such as Python, Java, JavaScript, C++, etc. Next, we have data structures and algorithms. You will need to have a good understanding of data structures such as linked lists, trees, and graphs, as well as algorithms such as sorting and searching. Next, we have software development lifecycle. Understanding development lifecycle is essential to building scalable, robust, and maintainable software applications. Next, we have version control. Having knowledge of version control systems such as Git and subversions is important to manage source code, to collaborate with others, and to track changes. Again, you have web development. You should have a knowledge of web techniques such as HTML, web technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, as well as the web frameworks such as React, Angular, and Vue. Next, you have object-oriented programming. You should understand the concept of object-oriented programming and design patterns which help in building reusable and scalable code, which we will learn more in the next video on our series. Next, we have test and bugging. Having a knowledge of testing frameworks such as Unit, NUnit, and debugging tools such as GDB is essential to find and fix bugs on your code. Also, you will need to learn operating system, because understanding the basics of operating systems such as Linux, Windows is necessary to deploy and manage software applications. Another thing you need to have is soft skills like communication, problem solving, teamwork, time management are crucial soft skills for a software engineer to have. So in overall, becoming a software engineer requires a dedication and continuous learning, as the field is always evolving. So work harder and play harder. So if you have made this far, thank you, and take this moment, if you have enjoyed this video, to like it and continue. So on the next part of this video, we have the core modules that you will be needed to learn in this career. First up, we have discrete mathematics. you will need to learn discrete mathematics, again introduction to computers, mathematics for computing, computer system architecture, operating systems and hardware, querying and managing database, introduction to programming using C, database management using ROL, Linux essentials, web design and development, and programming using Visual. Then you will have a professional practice. After that, we have software engineering in general, and next we have integration design, another project, and then you will need to learn programming using net. There is part 2 and part 1. Next we have designing creative publication, and then next we have mobile application development. You will also need to learn 3D design and animation, artificial intelligence, and you need to also to learn cloud programming, cloud computing. So again, you will need to learn essentials of entrepreneurship, again innovation and sustainable development. Lastly, you will need to learn analytical product design. So these are all core modules that you need to learn as a software engineer to be fully trained on the field that you have chosen. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to keep updated.